Hello everyone and welcome. I am Stephanie and welcome to my channel. I am an eBay reseller full-time and every Friday I do a video on a theme, 10 items I'm putting live in my eBay store at 5 p.m. Central Time. I try and get the preview video out to you a little bit ahead of time, but anyway, today the theme is cottagecore. Now mind you, you've probably never seen me with this little of makeup on before. I don't usually wear this little, I usually wear a lot more makeup, but cottagecore, the idea of cottagecore is to be simplified, kind of muted pastel colors, and a simpler life. And so gardening, animals, nature, things like that. And so that is cottagecore. I'm no expert at it, but I know cottagecore when I see it. So anyway, this is my look for today. This is my cottagecore look. So I put less eye makeup on. I put a little blush on. I only used a little bit of lip gloss, and I put my hair in this. I don't even know what you call that thing. It's not really a headband, but it's kind of a headband, and it's got that cute little muted green pastel floral on it, and it's got this puffy sleeve shirt too. So I'm excited to try something new and do the minimal makeup look. For me, this is minimal makeup. For you, it might not be, but anyway, this is cottagecore. All the items I'm putting live at 5 today are cottagecore items. And so if you like any of them, I will have every single item I'm showing today linked to my eBay store. Even though I'm going to put the video live before the items are live, once 5 o'clock Central Time hits, they will be going live on eBay. So you can preview them in this video, and then once 5 o'clock hits, you can click on the link to go purchase it. And by the way, as usual, you get first peek at these 10 items, and you also get 25% off. And the code for today to get the 25% off is COTTAGE. That code is available throughout this weekend, and so COTTAGE, COTTAGE, that is the code, 25% off. All right, ready? These are all cottagecore items. I'm super excited because I absolutely love curating different styles of, groups of styles of items to sell. By the way, I don't have my glasses on today because I wanted to do kind of a cleaner look for cottagecore, so I can't see very well. So hopefully everything looks right. All right, we are starting with a cardigan, and this cardigan is by the brand Moth. And Moth is a brand that is sold at Anthropology, and they have just beautiful items. This is a cardigan. It's a size small, but it would fit up to a large or extra large. It's an open front. It's a cotton linen blend, and it's kind of a beige ombre. Look at the back of it. It's got this koi pond fish kind of thing, goldfish, whatever, on the back with some floral. It almost looks like a koi pond. Then it's got some flowers up here, and it's got these batwing sleeves, and then the front of it is open, and it's got it's just kind of simpler in the front, but it's got this open part here, and it would just look really flowy on. It would be great for a vacation if you wanted to stay warm and still look really cute during the day. That is that. And by the way, this would fit up to a size large easily because it is a little bit oversized. And so if you think it's really cute, the measurements are out there. I think it's a 21 or 22 inch pit to pit measurement when it's closed. So super cute. It's, like I said, linen and cotton blend. It's really soft. So that is the first item. The price on that one is $22, but when you take the 25% off, it is $16.50. And by the way, if you are going to buy anything from my eBay store, do keep in mind if you put items in your cart from my store, if you put more than one item in there, it'll automatically give you a shipping discount. It does it automatic. I don't have to do anything. It just does it. So consider if you have more than one item, you'll also save on the shipping if you get more than one. But isn't that so cute? All right, if no one buys it, I'm going to keep it. So do not let me keep it. I don't need to get more things. Oops, I dropped something on the floor. All right, that is the first item. I love that thing. All right, next up is this very, very cute. This is totally cottagecore. Look at the little flowers on there. Little blue, tiny blue flowers. And it's kind of a cami tank shirt. It's got absolutely gorgeous lace trim. And it's a size 2XL. This would be super cute with a pair of shorts, or you could put it underneath a cardigan or something like that. It's fairly simple, but it's brand new. It just has this one tag, and the tag is half cut off. The brand is One State. I believe that is a Macy's brand, but I cannot be sure. But anyway, here's the tag. And it's really, really cute. I didn't show you the Moth tag. But anyway, that is size 2XL. That is $15. So with the 25% off, it is $11.25. Super, super cute. All right. One more clothing item, and then the rest are, I've got a really nice variety today. So I've got clothing, I've got jewelry, and I've got some household stuff. Next up is a cardigan sweater with a cute little ruffle trim on the bottom by Logo. Logo by Lori Goldstein. Here's the tag. Super soft, kind of a cream off-white color. Has one little clasp in the front there. You don't have to clasp it. It would look good if you didn't. Long sleeves and this cute detail at the bottom. It's clean and in good condition. I did wash it myself to make sure it was clean. And it's a size large. It's absolutely adorable. Logo by Lori Goldstein is a really popular brand. She was, I don't know if she only sells, it used to be a shopping network. I can't remember if it was QVC or what, but anyway, very, very cute sweater, soft, and it's got that kind of simple cottagecore kind of look, but simple but really soft and cute. All right. That is, oh, by the way, that sweater is $23. So with the coupon, it's $17.25. All right, that is the cottagecore clothing that I have for today. Now, next up is a super cute item. I absolutely love this. Something about this just said cottagecore to me. Look at this cute bicycle picture frame, and you want to see the cutest part of all? This is how it stands up. With the kickstand, with the bike kickstand. That's how it stands up. It's so cute. And it has a little place for your picture right in the front tire. The picture, I believe, is the biggest the picture can be is 4.25 inches. This inner part is 4.25 inches. The back part is more like 5 inches. So that's where you put the picture in. And then this is metal, and it's kind of a blackish. It's got some brown peeking through, but it's black. I just can't take how cute it is with this little kickstand. This is so cottagecore, if you ask me. It's like that. It's like that just homey, cozy vibe. It's such a cute picture frame. So, all right, this is $22, and it's new, by the way. It's never been used. It still has the plug in the fake picture in there. So, anyway, with 25% off, that is $16.50. All of it's plus shipping, of course. But you can save on the shipping if you get more than one item. All right. Next up is a lot of 5 cottagecore headbands. And these are all kind of like that muted pastel colors. This one is like a corduroy velvety kind of thing. This one is kind of a plaid, blue and white. This one is a braided, kind of a cute floral. This is super cottagecore right here. This is brand new. It's J. Crew. It's kind of a raffia with purpley pinky colors on it. It's raffia. It's Liberty Fabric. It was a collaboration with Liberty Fabric and J. Crew. And then the last one is this cute bow. So that lot of headbands. And of course, you've probably seen some of these headbands were opened in fun boxes. They're all new. Like I don't see any, there's no wear on these at all that I can see. So. All right, the lot of 5 headbands is $25, but with the code, it's $18.75. So you get a little bit of a deal there for 5 of them, which is not too bad. All right, that is so far. Now we're going to get to the jewelry. And to me, cottagecore is kind of like that homey, naturey, plant, flower, and animal vibes. So we are going to go through some jewelry that I have for sale. And the first one is, oh no, before we get to the jewelry, I have one more item. And that is this cute garden set. Okay, this is a gardening bag. You can put your tools in here. And you're going to go out and work in the garden. And you get this bag that comes with it. This is unused, but the bag got a little bit creased from being closed and stuff. But other than that, it is new. Here's the little guidebook that goes with it, and it comes with, I'm going to show you a picture because I don't want to pull all of these out, but it comes with gardening tools and gloves, a pair of gloves. It comes with, it's a 9-piece set. It says 10-piece, but it's only 9 pieces. And I'm just going to kind of show you a picture of it right here so you can see what that is. It comes with 9 total things. That is for sale on eBay, and I thought, oh, gardening is such a cottagecore type thing. That is $22, so with your 25% off, it's $16.50. So if you're a gardener, it's kind of fun because you can take the tools and put them in here and carry them out to the garden. Or there we go. There we go. It kind of looks like that when you put them all in there. So that is the gardening set. And now we are on to the jewelry. So first thing I have, I know some of you like this brand. I've heard other people say that they love this brand. Oops, I gotta make sure it's laying correctly before I show it to you. I don't know if I'm gonna get this to lay correctly. All right. Anyway, okay, it's 2 different necklaces. One of them is a druzy necklace. And by the way, let's see, I don't know how this happened. Let's see. I just put there. I got it. All right, it's Luna Norte. It's a set of 2 necklaces. And they are gold plated. The top one is a cute little gold tone moon. And the bottom one is a real, genuine druzy. Super, super cute. And they're different lengths. I believe one's 14 inches and one is 16 inches, but they both have 2-inch extenders. But the nice thing is one is longer than the other, so you can layer these and wear them together. They're super, super cute. These are new on the card. It probably came with a box. It does not come with the box, but it comes on the original card here. And that Luna Norte necklace is $24. With 25% off, it is $18. So that is a pretty good deal. All right. Next up is, this is a cute, I was going to bring there it is. This is a Danforth Pewter. The pendant is Danforth Pewter, and it is a red maple leaf pendant made out of Danforth Pewter. The pendant is signed Danforth, and then the chain is a snake chain that goes with it, and the chain is 925 silver. So you've got a 925 silver chain, and you've got this beautiful autumn leaf by Danforth Pewter. So it's a pewter pendant and a sterling silver chain that comes together as one. And I just love it. It's so pretty. If you like a maple leaf or that kind of decor, then this is for you. The next item is a lot, and by the way, like I said, it is signed Danforth Pewter. I do believe some people collect that brand. But anyway, next up is a similar, oh sorry, I forgot to tell you the price. $22 for that. So with the 25% off, it's $16.50. And the next one, the specs are the same. The only difference is it is a butterfly, blue butterfly. So this is Danforth Pewter. The butterfly is Danforth Pewter. And then the chain is a snake chain. It's 925 silver. Again, like the last one, the pendant, and I'm not sure if that's enamel because it does have a shiny coating on it. Both of them do have that shiny coating. But anyway, you've got the butterfly, and then you've got the 925 silver chain. And again, that one is $22. With 25% off, it's $16.50. Super, super cute. Wow, this video is going pretty fast, which is kind of nice, right, on a Friday. All right, the last thing is this pretty stretch bracelet with genuine stones, and it's got that cute and delicate muted pastel look. Pink and yellow and blue, or I guess it's a grayish blue. This is a stretch bracelet. It's a size 6.5, but it stretches and it goes right on like that. It's very pretty. Like I said, it is real stone. It's cold to the touch. And with the real stone bracelet, it is a little bit heavier. It feels better. It's got that heavier feel to it. That is out there for $14. And with your 25% off, it's $10.50. And yeah, that is the last Cottagecore item for today. I think we got through all of them. Let's see. We've got the cardigans, picture frame, headbands, garden set. Yep, we've got through all of them. All right. That is my Cottagecore. And by the way, I'm going to do every Friday, I'm going to do a different theme. Last Friday was kind of a rebel, kind of gothy, emo kind of look. This week is cottagecore. Next week, I have an idea what I'm doing, but I'm not going to say just yet. However, let's see. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, Monday, I do updates on where I'm at in my journey to reach $150,000 in sales on eBay. On Wednesday, I do an unboxing / sale. And Fridays, I do the theme sale and the What's Live at 5. This is the What's Live at 5. So if you like any of these items, they will go live at 5 p.m. Central Time. And you can just go out to eBay and purchase them. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in my email, mysteffstyle@gmail.com, or you can send me a message on eBay. I check both of them way more often than a person should. So don't worry about that. All right, that is the cottagecore for the day. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the cottagecore selection. And I'd love to hear what other styles of sales you'd like me to have too. I have so much clothing and jewelry. I can do just about any style you would want. So, all right, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day and weekend.